Welcome to the Seerly platform, your partner in owning your brand's AI search narrative. On the visibility dashboard, you're able to track your brand's presence across different AI platforms, monitor your visibility score, keep an eye on the prompts tracked, and see where your brand is being cited. You can also view AI engine visibility specifically in ChatGPT, Gemini, and Perplexity, and even compare your share of voice against competitors. Navigate over to sentiment analysis to gauge how people feel about your brand. You can analyze the sentiment on various topics, such as customer support, detect any negative trends, and dive into an aspect breakdown to identify which issues are impacting your brand perception the most. Check out the citations section to see where AI platforms are citing your brand. This tool helps you benchmark against competitors, identify outdated citations, and discover which types of content, like pages with structured data, are driving the most citations. Head to Smart Audit for an AI-powered analysis of your site's health. Review scores for every dimension of your site, pinpoint page-level issues, and track trends to catch any declining scores early. In the Analytics section, you get a clear view of the AI traffic flowing to your site. Compare the behavior of AI visitors to organic traffic and see which content is performing the best. Leverage the AI agent to receive personalized recommendations. If you notice a dip in your visibility score, the agent will create a tailored action plan with actionable recommendations that you can implement immediately. Transition from insight to action in the Content Studio. Here, you can create AI-optimized content designed to address your most significant visibility gaps and publish it to start getting cited right away. Watch the results unfold as your analytics begin to show real growth. Your AI referral traffic rises, your visibility score improves, and more AI platforms start citing your brand, indicating that your share of voice is expanding. Seerly offers a comprehensive platform for managing your AI visibility. Ready to elevate your brand? Get started today at seerly.app.